The new year is coming. On January 1st, you can still be in the same place you are now, or you can completely empower yourself and conquer your challenges and magically with me right by your side every step of the way. Imagine for a moment having a life where each day you have the delight of receiving a delicious spiritual practice from me, Madam Pamita, that imbues your day with magic and the start of creating rituals that will amplify power, joy, and abundance in ways that are life changing. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the 30-day magical mindset makeover. Over the course of 30 days, with me right by your side, you'll learn how to do magic, real magic, and you will believe in your own power to direct your life and will have the knowledge and the tools to do so. Each day, you'll have the delight of receiving an exquisite magical item to open up and a magical practice to go with it and learn a new empowering skill. You can find out more about the 30-day magical mindset makeover and sign up to get on the waiting list to be notified once spaces become available. Prices for this amazing bespoke experience will be going up in 2023. So make sure to get on the waiting list now so you can get on today's pricing. Just go to magicalmindsetmakeover.com and you can find out more.